How to make a YouTube banner with Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a YouTube banner with Canva for free. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto your canva.com. You're going to sign in with your free account or your premium account, whatever it is, and you're just simply going to search for YouTube banner, and it's going to pop up right here, and you're going to click over here. And next, what you can do is you have two options. You could either go with these templates, but normally some of these templates, they don't actually fit into the YouTube banner location, so make sure you check it first. And the other thing you could do is you could create a blank one yourself. It depends on you. Now, creating a banner is very simple, right? So we'll just open it up over here. We'll create a blank canvas right here, and this is the size. Let me actually check the size. So this is the size, right? And it's divided into different portions. Now, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to add a different background. So we're going to click over here. We're going to change the color right here. And you could either go ahead and do that, or you could go into elements and you could just simply search for banner right here. Or you could find different textures as well, as you can see right here, and you could go ahead and add them right there as a background. It depends on you how you do it. For me, what I would do is I would just simply change the color to something, I don't know, maybe something like pink, but it's a very dark pink. So I would go with the lighter version, so something like this. There we go. I think this looks good. And also, you have to make sure that it stays in the center, right? Like the center part right here, this is going to be your main area, because this is the only area that is going to be shown on YouTube. So for example, if you come over here, this is how it is. So if you click over here, let me show you. So the whole desktop, right, that's for the TVs, right? For desktop, it's going to be right from here to here, right? And all the other ones, such as mobile tablet, they're gonna have this area. So this center area is the safe area for all your text and logos and stuff like that. So make sure you add all of that over here. Next, what we can do is we can add some stuff. And let me actually search maybe robot or something like that, or artificial intelligence, AI, or something like these. Actually, graphics, these would look really cool, like something like this. And if I click over here, what can I change the color? No, I cannot. So I'm gonna put these lines right here in the very center, and I'm gonna change their color to a little bit darker color. We can't have pink. Can we have red? No. I think this would look good. This looks nice, so we're gonna keep it that. We're also going to add maybe this robot as well, right around here. Also, another cool tip that I have for you guys: if you press Shift plus R, it's gonna bring up the ruler right here. Now, you could go ahead and adjust these lines. All right, so the first line is going to be around here, 2055, or it's going to be around 2053. I'm not really sure. Yeah, there we go. And the second line is going to be around 507 or 570. Let me check. Or you know what? I think it is around 507. Yeah. So this is going to be your ruler right here. Now, this is the area that's the safe area. Now for the horizontal line. So the first one is going to be 930. There we go. And the other one is going to be around 508, I believe, or it's at 509, but it's at 509. But yeah, generally this is how it is. So make sure that all of your elements are within this region, because this is the region that is going to be shown on YouTube. So for me, I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to put this right here, but I also want to extend it so that it's from one side to the other. It looks really cool. There we go. Something like that. Now, what about these extra ones? So we're going to go ahead and crop it. We're going to click over here, and over here we should have. So to crop this, all you got to do is just simply double click on the image that you want to crop, and then just simply select it and crop it to the area you're satisfied with. So I want to crop it slightly right here, like so. There we go. Same thing from the bottom as well. Oops. And now we'll just crop it right here. There you go. Like so. That looks much better. We're also going to change the color of this to something else. Maybe something pinkish or bluish. It depends on you. Although this looks good, white does look good, but we also could go ahead and transparency, make it a little bit transparent like so. Yeah, that looks much better. Now we could add our text as well. So for text, we'll just write software explained or something like that. Depends on how or what type of, your channel is. You could name it whatever you want, and then just select the font. So I definitely like, there was a sans. Let me actually search for it. Sans, like these ones. This looks good. If you want to go with this one, go with this one, or open sans bold. I actually go with open sans. They're just, I don't know, there's just something about them. And then just simply align the text right here. And then you could tag another line right here and actually make this a little bit bigger so it's more defined, like so. And down below we'll add our other text. We'll say weekly videos or any other tagline you want to add. And actually for this one we'll save it for later. For now we'll just write so something like that, but I actually want to change the fonts to something else. There was also Sugo Classic or Sugo Display. We'll go with the classic version. Then increase the size like so. Put it right there. And we'll actually lower the size of this one. Place it right here. Now we'll add another tagline over here at the bottom, or we'll just put it right there. And we'll add another tagline right here. And this is going to be like whenever you want. We'll just say new videos every week, like so. We'll align it as well. And also we would want to, then we want to go to effects and colors after we've, put it right here. Put this right here, actually right here, and select it and go to effects and colors. And then maybe we want to add like a background to it, like so. And roundness, we could increase the roundness. There we go. And spread as well. It depends on you. Let's see how it looks. Now we need more spread. It's not too much. Maybe that looks nice. Yeah. Now we just need to change the color up a little bit. Go with a little bit brighter pink, something like that. And then we could also add other stuff like a shadow or drop down. It depends on you, but I think the background would look great. After that, you could also add other stuff like a subscribe channel or whatever, but mainly this is how you do it. Then all you gotta do is just simply click on download, right? And you just simply download it, and there you go, and upload it onto your YouTube channel. Now, do make sure that all the other area is not, filled with information. Make sure that this center part is it. So as you can see, it's the first line is going to be 2053 and 507 is going to be the second one. This is the vertical lines. The horizontal ones, the first one is going to be 929 or 930. I could only come to 929. And then the second one is going to be 509. So make sure you go with these parameters and put all of the info, your logo or text right in the center. And once that's done, you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how you create a banner on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.